Did you see that damage? The moment Lizard bit him, boom, that burst of damage was just crazy. Like, what did we even just watch? We finally got the official Lizard gameplay clip, and yeah, it's short, but man, it tells us so much. We've been waiting almost a decade for this champion to show up, and now he's finally here, looking absolutely terrifying. So let's take a closer look and break down every little detail you might have missed in that short clip, because there's definitely more happening than you think. The clip starts off with Pavitra Prabhakar, and for a second, I thought we were finally getting some proper gameplay for the new Indian Spider-Man. But nah, it's basically just a small animation. Gotta admit, that was a bit of a letdown, because a lot of people have been waiting to see how he plays, right? Especially with all that double-track hype and everything. But then, out of nowhere, we get this Lizard gameplay tease, and bro, I was shocked. That damage output was just wild. You can literally see when Lizard launches that special 2, he goes unstoppable and unblockable at the same time, and both are passive effects. That's just straight up nuts, and I absolutely love that part. And that's not all, man. Lizard's also got some ruptures going on. But here's the part that really caught my attention, this passive effect called Retribution. Now, I'm pretty sure this one's new, because I haven't seen it on any other champion yet. Correct me if I'm wrong, all right? Drop it down in the comments if you know someone else who has this. So what exactly is Retribution? Basically, when the affected champion activates a special attack, they take increased damage from all sources until their special ends. So yeah, that massive burst of damage we saw, definitely coming from that effect for sure. But here's the thing. For that kind of crazy damage, I'm guessing there's got to be some sort of ramp up, right? Maybe a few charges that Lizard needs to build first. You can actually see some kind of charges stacking up on his side of the screen, so there's definitely something going on behind that big hit. Either way, one thing's for sure, Lizard's coming out swinging with some huge damage potential. Oh, and there's also this tracking debuff, which means incoming attacks can't miss. That's some crazy utility right there, especially against champs who rely on evade or miss mechanics. I'm also kind of guessing he might have some sort of heal block ability baked in too. Maybe. Would totally make sense for a character like Lizard. That short clip might have been only a few seconds, but it showed us enough to know he's not playing around. Big burst damage, crazy passives like Retribution, solid utility with tracking. This dude's shaping up to be an absolute monster. I'm really curious to see how his full kit plays out. Like, is he gonna be more of a slow ramp-up nuke or a straight-up burst machine? Either way, he's already looking like a champion worth saving those rank-up materials for. But yeah, that's all we got from this short teaser for now. Let's hope Kabam drops the full gameplay or deep dive soon, because I need to see what else this beast can do. What do you guys think, though? Drop your thoughts below. Does Lizard live up to the hype or what? And I'll catch you guys in the next one.